Hey guys, let's quickly sum up all the things we are going to talk about in today's video. Here we are with another DeFi hack as StakeSteak succumbed to a DeFi hack and lost approximately $200,000. Metis Hackathon will support charity DApps that address the United Nations 11 Sustainable Development Goals. The Bank of America announces the introduction of digital asset analysis. Link Global, a Canadian Bitcoin mining company, has been fined $5.6 million. Coming up first, StakeSteak, a DeFi protocol on the Phantom network, was hacked today, resulting in a loss of 80,636 FTM and 81,351 USDC, totaling approximately $200,000. According to the protocol's post-mortem, the breach was triggered by a private key grabbed from one of its GitHub repositories that has been there for over 5 months. The protocol acknowledged ownership of the vulnerability in a press statement, admitting that it was a fatal mistake. Following the attack, the protocol has stated that a unique token would be issued and airdropped to stakeholders and LPs prior to the exploit. The protocol, however, clarified that the issue is unrelated to the attack. Instead of the traditional StakeSteak, the platform was contemplating rebranding to better enable practical services. According to the protocol, the rebranding will involve changing the platform's Steak Stable Swap or Singularity Swap with Singularity as the token. Before proceeding with a brand change, the DeFi procedure has sought community consent. Following the exploit, the protocol defined its compensation plan. The team said that a snapshot of all stakeholders, including XSteak, Steak FTM LPs, Steak FUSD, Steak IFUSD, and Steak FTM, will be taken prior to the exploit. The addresses in the snapshot will be changed to the new token according to their Steak token balance. However, because of the temporary loss caused by the exploit, LPs will be reimbursed at a higher rate. So coming up next, Metis, a prominent Ethereum layer 2 rollup scaling solution, has announced a commencement of its hackathon, which will run from October 2nd through November 30, 2021. Metis will award up to $1 million in prizes to software architects who can create decentralized apps or other sorts of platforms to address some of the issues raised in the UN Sustainable Development Goals or SDGs. Addressing poverty-related difficulties, reducing hunger, assisting people in keeping good health, providing excellent education, ensuring gender equality, delivering clean energy, and meeting water supply requirements are among these concerns. The Metis Hackathon's main goal is to develop a high-performance Ethereum-powered DApps. The attendees will also have an option of integrating or migrating their Ethereum DApps to the Metis Layer 2 SDK. The criteria for evaluating a project includes its overall economic, environmental, and social effect, as stated in the announcement. The value proposition of the DApp, as well as its capacity to solve real-world issues, will be evaluated. Furthermore, participants will be invited to a step-by-step tour of the software programs with all technical details well described. The fundamental objective of these initiatives should be obvious, and there should be a wealth of information available. Moving ahead, following a significant investor interest in digital currencies, Bank of America, one of the major Wall Street banks, has announced the beginning of a digital asset research. Because of the institutional interest in digital currencies, a number of Wall Street banks have launched cryptocurrency offerings to fulfill customer demand. Bank of America is following the footsteps of institutional behemoths like Goldman Sachs, who have begun to provide crypto services in order to stay up with the rapidly developing digital asset industry. BOA's move to begin digital asset research was praised by LK Shah, head of global cryptocurrency and digital asset strategy. Goldman Sachs established a cryptocurrency DEX in 2018, put it on hold because of the price decline, and then restarted it in March of this year amid a surge in interest in cryptocurrencies. Moreover, despite the current negative downturn, investor mood appears to be positive. Established financial investors are willing to add the names to growing list of institutions offering crypto services as the crypto market matures and companies gain greater trust from investors. With the recent uptrend sparking renewed interest and support, established financial investors are willing to add the names to the growing list of institutions offering crypto services. And coming to today's final news, for operating unlicensed power plants in province of Alberta, Link Global Technologies, a Bitcoin mining firm listed on Canadian Securities Exchange, is facing hefty potential fines. Further, the deadline for Link Global to file its response to the suit has been extended to October 14, 2021. On September 24, The Alberta Utilities Commission, or AUC, the province electricity utility generator, filed a new enforcement filing against Link Global, with enforcement officials suggesting a number of fines for breaches of Alberta's legal requirements. The AUC's enforcement team suggested that Link Global pay an economic disgorgement of roughly 2 million Canadian dollars, which is approximately $1.6 million USD, for financial profits from illegal energy generation, according to a document provided with Cointelegraph. Based on AUC's estimates of Link Global's claimed gross economic gain for two facilities, the regulator is demanding nearly 5 million Canadian dollars, which is approximately 4 million USD, from the company's Bitcoin mining activities. In addition, the AUC is seeking two administrative penalties totaling 81,000 CAD or $64,000. So that's all for today. Join our Telegram channel for free crypto signals. Visit our blog link below for guides, reviews and tutorials, and subscribe to the channel for daily updated crypto news.